Hello guys, today I will show you how we can build mobile apps using JSON driven UI pattern like we discussed in the last video. Before we start, you don't have to follow my exact JSON structure. You can build your own rules. It's completely up to you. Use whatever keys or names or structure you want in your JSON. I'm just showing you the power of this pattern. That's it. Okay, on the left, I have my JSON response from the Next.js that is running in my local host, and in the middle I have my React Native code, and on the right I have the live simulator. So here's my JSON. I have screens array which have all the screens in my app, and I made sure that most of my props they match with React Native paper props or React Native props, and so initially when the app loads, it basically calls this endpoint called layout, and then it gives out this JSON. I'm looping this screens array, as you can see here. So I'm looping it here, and then I'm dynamically creating the stack navigation, and I'm using most of the props like I mentioned, whatever they already exist. And I have this components array which is basically responsible for deciding what will go in each page. And in the first screen I have a text and a button, both from React Native paper. That's why I added text and button and gave the necessary props. And then in the second screen, by the way, to navigate, I just used this, I defined this navigate to, and I'm using this here to actually do the navigation. And then I have my second screen, which is main menu, where I have again 2 buttons, and then I'm using navigate to again to go to respective screens. And if I click on view news feed, it takes me to the posts screen, where I have provided components and list, and what is the URL that it needs to get the data from. Same goes with the other screen. Okay, and I have this download button, download updates button. Whenever you click on it, it's going to refetch the whole basically it's going to call this endpoint, and it's going to get the styles again to build the navigation and styles from scratch. So let's try to update this right now. Let me open up my Next.js backend. Now let's try to update something. Let's call JSON driven app. We have this text. Let me zoom in. So we have this text. Let's call this hello world app. Okay, now I'm going to my simulator. I'm just clicking on update now. There you go. If you want to add one more button, which we can easily do without having to touch our mobile app, we just have to go to our main menu, and then add a button. We can give the styles also, margin button 10, and then we can say test button, and so we don't have this. Let's create a new page. Okay, and let's add our page here. Okay, it doesn't matter if let's just keep it to 3 for now, just to see the difference. Now let's go back to our simulator. Let's update. Oh, there you go. So we have our third button, and then if you click on test button, it shows only 3. So all this without having to touch our mobile app, everything from API. Cool, right? All right, I'll come up with another usage of this pattern in my next video. So today, to recap, we have big advantages of using this pattern. First one is we don't have to uh, create new screen files. If you want to add a new page, or if you want to remove the page, you don't have to touch your mobile app and remove it and do a EAS update or send to Play Store. And the second biggest advantage is you can dynamically add components again without having to touch your mobile app code. You just come here, give the components array. You can also define your styles directly from API.